What's going on, guys? Welcome to the vlog. Coach Rai here, and ang topic natin for today is another one of the most requested topics. Okay, so I'm talking about boldenone and desalinate, most commonly known as EQ or equipoise. So yung topic natin for today. So if interested ka about this topic, let's go.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So, disclaimer muna. First of all, I'm not a doctor. I'm just a registered nurse in the Philippines and I'm a certified personal trainer here in the UAE. So, kung ano man yung knowledge na makuha nyo mula sa video na to, bahala na kayo doon, okay? So, this video is just for entertainment and educational purposes only. Huwag na natin patagalin, boldenone and desalinate, equipoise, it is an AAS or an androgenic and anabolic steroid which is used in veterinary medicine. Yes, pang-vet siya, pang-hayop siya, mainly for cows and horses. I remember back in the day, makuha mo to sa San Juan, sa karerahan ng kabayo, okay? Same with the Winstrol, lalo na yung Winstrol, talagang gustong-gusto ko yung brand na yun, yung RWR, when it comes to boldenone, Winstrol, and Trenbolone. So, napakagandang brand nito, kaso pang-hayop nga siya. Pag kinonfirm mo siya sa brand na pang-tao, iba eh. Mas malakas talaga yung binibigay nung pang-vet. But syempre, masyadong risky yun. Kasi nga, pang-hayop naman yun, hindi naman yung design para sa tao, di ba? So, saan mo siya pwedeng gamitin? Pang-bulking ba? Pang-cutting? Pang-body recomposition? Actually, this type of steroid is a very flexible type of gear. Okay, so pwede mo siyang gamitin for body recomp, cutting, or bulking. So, ano bang naibibigay nitong si Equipoise? So, itong si Equipoise, it's not a rapid mass builder, but it gives you a slow and steady result when it comes to strength and muscle gains. So, let's say for bulking, hindi siya katulad ni, let's say, Sustanon or Dianabol when it comes to size. Like, in a few weeks, kita mo na agad yung difference sa size. Mas malaki ka na agad, kaso smooth and puffy look. That's because of the water retention. So, yung muscle gain na binibigay ni Equipoise, it's more on solid. Okay? So, solid and defined look. Hindi siya yung smooth bulk na kagaya ng sa Sustanon and Dianabol. Okay? So, ganun yung binibigay niya. And kung ano man yung visible size na makuha mo from Equipoise, most of that will be retained after you discontinued your cycle. Let's say, on point yung diet and nutrition mo, and you are on a bulk but ayaw mo ng puffy look, gusto mo lean bulk, mas magandang option yung Equipoise. Let's say Equipoise with testosterone, something like that, rather than going with testosterone and Deca. Kaso mas mahaba yung cycle mo and mas mabagal. So ayun lang, kailangan mo dito with Equipoise is patience. So let's talk about the dosage, cycle length, half-life. So half-life nito is 14 days. So matagal, di ba? And then yung dosing niya for men, 200 to 400 milligrams per week. Let's say you're going on 400, split mo lang yon, Monday 200, Friday 200, something like that. So ayun. And then for women, syempre, kailangan na dosage nito is mababa, 50 to 75 milligrams lang to avoid virilization. So virilization is yung manly look, okay? Manly traits na pwede mo makuha with the gear. And cycle length, sabi ko nga sa inyo, kailangan nyo ng patience when it comes to boldenone kasi mahaba ang cycle nito. So, cycle niya is 12 to 20 weeks. So, masyadong mahaba, di ba? But, ganun talaga yung cycle niya, mahaba talaga. So, let's talk about the side effects. Estrogenic side effects. Yes, it aromatized but mild lang siya, okay? It doesn't aromatize same like as testosterone. Mas nag-aromatize pa rin yung testosterone. So, yung possible gyno and water retention, hindi ganun kataas. Okay? Next is androgenic side effects. So, usually makukuha mo lang to on high doses of boldenone if you are taking a gram or more than 800 per week. Okay? So, nandiyan na yung oily skin, acne, hair growth, and syempre sa babae, clitoral enlargement. Next is liver toxicity. So, itong boldenone, it's not C17 alpha alkylated. So, hindi siya hepatotoxic. Meaning, yung liver problems or liver disease na pwede mo makuha from boldenone is highly unlikely. So, hindi siya ganun ka-toxic. Next is cardiovascular. So, it increases the bad cholesterol LDL and it decreases the good cholesterol, which is the HDL. So, in order to reduce the cardiovascular strain, syempre, kailangan you have a very good cardio activity. Syempre, you need to do your cardio, and syempre, you need to train, obviously. So, last one is testosterone suppression, and that's why you need to do a proper post-cycle therapy. So, usually, ang ginagamit for PCT with Boldinon is either Clomid or Tamoxifen, Nolvadex. You need to run it after 7 days, 1 week after your last shot of Boldinon. Okay, so kailangan nun, after 7 days, let's say today yung last shot mo, after 7 days, PCT ka na. Okay? It's either Clomid or Tamoxifen. Let's say Tamoxifen, you have to use it for 4 weeks, at least 20 milligrams per day. So that's how it goes. So I think that's it. If you have some questions, suggestions, just let me know. Comment lang kayo sa baba, okay? And if you need an online coach or a personal trainer here in Dubai, just let me know, reach me out, okay? So I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Thanks for watching.